Come test drive the 2020 XC60. From sidewalks to pathways in the blink of an eye, the XC60 was named a Consumer's Digest Best Buy in the cars, pickups, minivans, SUVs, and hybrids category and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, power moonroof, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.